Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. It's Wednesday, January 7th, 2026. I will be trading Palantir, ticker PLTR, on the 1-minute chart. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Let's recap. So I explained the reasons I went bullish. Just hit the target 1037. I was a little upset because I missed this trade here. So the red line is the low of yesterday. The high of yesterday, and this other red line is the high of some day back then. So we open here. So I started putting this bearish pattern here, but since it broke the high and held it here, so I was waiting for either way, or a bullish or a bearish. To go bullish, it has to form like a pattern here in space to go to this area, which it did, but unfortunately I marked the high right here. It was right here at the moment. I keep forgetting to mark where it touched the most because I want to see it could change, because what makes more sense, the pattern, like in this case here, it touch here, reject, touch, reject. So most like this was probably best area for the high, not this area. Since I have this area marked, I said it looks weird. It breaks bearish and then breaks bullish and breaks bearish and then breaks bullish. So I wasn't secure. And after this bar form, I said, oh, this is a good breaking bar. So then I went back and looked. I noticed that the high could be in this area because that explained the perfect pattern, like this flag, wedge, whatever you want to call it. So I said, well, I missed. I'm not going to chase it. I'll wait for a next setup if it gives to me. So I was looking for a bullish setup because it was in this area. So it broke this other high, held here a little, but not as much. It keeps breaking back, breaking bearish, bullish, bearish. So okay, I need to hold here. It needs to hold here and break a pattern bullish so I can enter bullish, because it's above the high, which when it breaks and holds it, the high turns into a resistance. So, and then put this, so this wedge flag here above the high. It broke, it held it and broke. I enter as soon as this bar closes here above this area here. I enter right here. My target was here, my stop was down here. So probably like 32 minutes in this trade. So that's the reason I went bullish. So that's the trade for today. I followed my plan, waited for my setup, and execute without forcing anything, because I had to wait. I was not gonna jump in any trade. I exit based on my rules, not emotion. The win isn't the money. The win is that I stayed disciplined. Wait for my setup. So tomorrow the goal stays the same. Show up, follow my plan, and let the market do the rest. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.